down, burn it down. Burn it down.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Praneeth Talks. So in this video I bought you a budget tablet, that is Samsung Tab A7, and if you see back side, you will get one tablet, one travel adapter, one data cable, one ejection pin and one manual. So this is totally cost, it's some 20,999, that is 21,000. In offer I got for 15,999, that is 16,000. If you apply some credit card and debit card, you will get 10% offer also. So now let's open the tab, and first let's open the seal. So accessories, you will get a manual card and a quick start guide, and you will get even a ejection pin, and you will get a warranty card also, and the charger will come with 15 watts charging, and the cable will come with type C charging. So guys, now let's open the tablet. So the tablet will come with polythene cover. It's neat and assembled tablet, and this come with cover also. Yeah, that's good. With 8 megapixel. Now let's see the sound quality, how it is. So I'm using NCS music.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun.
So I've taken some camera samples. So this will come with 5 megapixel, and this one is 8 megapixel, and this one is also 8 megapixel. So today this is the video. Thanks for watching. Take care, like, share, subscribe, and press the bell icon.